Hey guys, this is Ronnie here with Great Choice, and today this is the MM7055 amp. And what we had showed you in a previous video was the preamplifier that we're going to be using with this. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. We have our manual here. And it is a 5-channel powered amplifier. With that being said, let's set this on the floor and lift it up and out of there. So, now that we got that open, and we have our power cable. And, you know, like all the other Marantz that I've showed you in previous videos, have a lot more stuff to them than this. This is an amplifier. This doesn't need all that extra stuff. It's not going to have your radio built into it. That's why you have to have the preamp. But it does, on the front side, look very similar to all the other ones, where you got the fake looking door down here, the little circle window, and it doesn't have HEOS and all that built into it, because like I said, it is an amplifier, and we are going to do rack ears on this as well. So if we spin around, we can take a look here at the back side. And we have all our speaker outputs here, and then we have all our unbalanced and balanced inputs for our surround. And we're just doing 5.1 or 5.2 with this one, I believe. So stay tuned in some upcoming videos, and you'll probably see this one in action. And have a great choice day.